From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed upwards at the night sky, our curiosity piqued by the twinkling lights of the cosmos. But what wonders, what strange and beautiful worlds lie hidden amongst those distant stars? Join me now as we journey into the depths of space to explore the top 10 strangest planets known to science. Prepare yourself for a journey into the truly alien as we encounter planets where it rains glass sideways, where diamonds blanket the surface, and where the very fabric of reality seems to warp and twist.
Our first destination takes us to the constellation of Vulpecula, some 63 light-years away. Here, orbiting a star not unlike our own Sun, lies HD 1899733b, a gas giant with a rather unsettling secret.
While it may appear serene from a distance, a closer look reveals a world of unimaginable violence. HD 1899733b is a planet of extremes where temperatures soar to over 1000 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere of HD 1899733b is laced with silicate particles, and when combined with wind speeds exceeding 5,000 miles per hour, this creates a truly terrifying weather phenomenon. Imagine, if you will, a world where it rains glass, not vertically but sideways, driven by the sheer force of the gale.
Our next destination takes us deeper into the cosmos, to a star system located 560 light-years from Earth. Here, we encounter Kepler-10b, a planet that could be described as the very embodiment of the word extreme.
Kepler-10b is a rocky world, much like our own Earth, but the similarities end there. This planet orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, resulting in surface temperatures exceeding 1,400 degrees Celsius, hotter than molten lava. Imagine a world where rock itself flows like water, where the very ground beneath your feet is a sea of molten minerals. The intense heat of Kepler-10b's star has stripped the planet of any atmosphere it might have once possessed, leaving its barren surface exposed to the full fury of stellar radiation.
Our cosmic voyage now brings us to the constellation Auriga, home to a most peculiar planet known as WASP-12b. This gas giant, some 1,400 light-years away, is locked in a deadly dance with its parent star, a dance that will ultimately lead to its demise.
WASP-12b orbits its star at an astonishingly close distance, so close that it completes an orbit in just over one Earth day. This proximity has dire consequences for the planet, as the intense gravitational pull of its star is literally tearing it apart. Imagine a world stretched and distorted by the relentless tug of gravity, its atmosphere being siphoned away into the gaping maw of its star. This is the fate that awaits WASP-12b, a planet slowly being consumed by the very object that gives it life. This atmosphere is bleeding away into space, forming a tail of gas that trails behind the doomed planet.
Our quest for the strange and wonderful now leads us to the constellation Cancer, where some 40 light-years away, we encounter a planet that glitters like no other. This is 55 Cancri E, a planet that has captured the imaginations of scientists and dreamers alike.
55 Cancri E is a super-Earth, twice the size of our own planet and 8 times more massive. But what truly sets this world apart is its composition. 55 Cancri E is believed to be a carbon planet, its interior composed primarily of pure carbon. Under these extreme conditions, carbon atoms bond together to form a very special substance, diamond. 55 Cancri E is thought to be a planet with a core of solid diamond, a jewel of unimaginable size and value, hidden amongst the stars.
Our exploration of the cosmos now brings us to the constellation Ophiuchus, where, orbiting a red dwarf star, we find a planet that is truly alien, yet strangely familiar. This is GJ1214b, a planet that challenges our very definition of what a world can be.
GJ 1214b is a super-Earth, larger and more massive than our own planet. But what truly sets it apart is its composition. Scientists believe that GJ 1214b is a water world, its surface covered not by land, but by a vast planet-wide ocean. The atmosphere of GJ 1214b is thick and steamy, a product of the intense heat radiating from its surface. Is there life in the hidden oceans of GJ 1214b? What strange and wonderful creatures might lurk beneath its waves?
Our cosmic voyage now takes us to the constellation Draco, where some 750 light-years away, we encounter a planet shrouded in darkness. This is strangest 2b, a gas giant that holds the distinction of being the darkest planet ever discovered.
Strangest 2b is a world of perpetual night, reflecting less than 1% of the light that falls upon it. This makes it darker than coal, darker than black paint, darker even than the blackest night sky on Earth. Scientists believe that the extreme darkness of strangest 2b is due to its unique atmospheric composition, which absorbs light rather than reflecting it. It is a sobering reminder that for all we have learned about the universe, there are still vast realms of darkness waiting to be explored.
Our search for the strange and wonderful now takes us to the constellation Scorpius, where, some 12,400 light-years away, we encounter a planet that defies all expectations.
This is PSRB 1600-2026b, a planet that has earned the nickname Methuselah for its incredible age. PSRB 1600-2026b is thought to be one of the oldest planets in the known universe, having formed a mere billion years after the Big Bang. This makes it nearly 3 times older than our own solar system, a relic from a time when the universe was still in its infancy. PSRB 1600-2026b orbits a binary star system, consisting of a pulsar and a white dwarf star. This unique environment, coupled with its extreme age, makes PSRB 1600-2026b a truly remarkable discovery.
Our cosmic odyssey now brings us to the constellation Leo, where, some 33 light-years away, we encounter a planet that seems to defy the laws of physics. This is Gliese 436b, a planet that challenges our very understanding of the nature of matter.
Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized planet that orbits its star at a surprisingly close distance. This proximity results in intense heat, with surface temperatures reaching over 400 degrees Celsius. But what makes Gliese 436b truly remarkable is the presence of burning ice on its surface. The intense gravity of this planet compresses the water molecules in its atmosphere, preventing them from transitioning into a gaseous state, even at such high temperatures. This results in the formation of a supercritical fluid, a state of matter that exhibits properties of both liquids and gases.
Our exploration of the cosmos now takes us to the constellation Crux, where, some 300 light-years away, we encounter a planet that wanders alone through the vast emptiness of space. This is HD 106906b, a rogue planet, untethered to any star.
HD 106906b is a gas giant, some 11 times the mass of Jupiter, that drifts through interstellar space, its only companions the distant stars. Imagine a world where the sun never rises, where the only light comes from the faint glow of distant stars. Scientists believe that HD 106906b was once part of a star system, but was ejected from its birthplace due to gravitational interactions with other planets. Now, it wanders alone, a testament to the chaotic nature of the early universe.
Our cosmic quest now brings us to the constellation Lyra, where, some 470 light-years away, we encounter a planet that holds the promise of something truly extraordinary. This is Kepler 438b, a planet that has captured the imaginations of scientists searching for life beyond Earth.
Kepler 438b is a super-Earth, slightly larger than our own planet, that orbits its star within the habitable zone, the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. This makes Kepler 438b a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. However, recent observations have revealed that Kepler 438b experiences intense stellar flares from its parent star, which could potentially strip away its atmosphere and make it uninhabitable. Despite these challenges, Kepler 438b remains a beacon of hope in our search for life beyond Earth.
From the searing heat of Kepler 10b to the eternal night of TRES 2b, we have witnessed the incredible diversity and wonder of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to encounter even more bizarre and awe-inspiring planets, each one challenging our preconceived notions of what a world can be. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, be sure to like this video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating explorations of the universe.